Hello, peeps. This is your boy, Cooking with Vine. Absolutely. So, I have a co-worker whose wife can bake. So, I don't know if, for you guys that know me and remember me, I love me some peach cobbler. I mean, absolutely do it. And we was chit-chatting. He said his wife doesn't make peach cobbler, but she makes a peach bun. And I said, interesting. And some of the other guys that claimed that, this one guy who claimed to have tried it said it was absolutely delicious. So I had him get me one. This is what it looks like. It is called a peach cobbler cinnamon roll. And her company, or what I think this is the company name that she's going under. It's called Tasty Cakes and Sweets. They're out of Virginia. So let's give this a quick taste test to see what this tastes like. Give it a quick lick of peaky. Take a quick sniff test. That doesn't smell too bad. Now, here's the baker. Ooh, it is quite oozing with goodies. Ooh, that tastes good. That's not bad at all. If you took a peach cobbler, I can give you an analogy. If you had a peach cobbler and a cinnamon bun, and they hooked up and made a baby, this would be it. A cinnamon bun and a peach cobbler hooked up, and they had an offspring. This would be it. Because you could taste the cinnamon right after the peach hits the back of your palate. That is actually not bad at all. That's not bad at all. But not good for my diabetic brothers and sisters. This is way too sweet for you guys. You guys are gonna have to get like 10 of you guys, and y'all gonna have to divvy up one. But it's pretty good. So, what would I rate this? I would probably give it an 8, 8.5. It's not bad. Like again, tastes like a cinnamon bun and a peach had a baby. But I'm still a peach cobbler, so I would probably prefer the peach cobbler over this. But it is good if you want that alternative where you want something peachy, cinnamony. This is the roll for you. Absolutely good. And my understanding, she makes these from scratch. So I'm going to double check with my co-worker, see if she has a website. Maybe you guys can order one. But I would highly recommend it if you into rolls, if you like cinnamon, or if you're into peaches. This will meet all three of your dietary requirements. Again, this is going to be a new series of products that I'm going to test. So if you guys have a restaurant, a store, a particular product that you want to test it, put it in the notes. Say, Rod, here's a place. Is it around in your hood? My hood. Is it in your neighborhood? And I'll go do a quick taste test and let you know what it tastes like and if it's worth your time and money. So until next time, folks, I'm up out of here. Again, this is a product made by Tasty Cakes and Sweets. I think they're fairly new. I'm not sure how long she's been doing this, but again, I think I love to see young people start doing something positive other than negative stuff, and this is another positive thing, and that I would like to also show off. So even if you don't sell cookies or cream or whatever, you got something that you want to promote, hook me up. I got a couple other channels. If it don't fit the cooking channel, I'll probably put it on there, and we can get things started. You take care of yourself. Again, this is Cooking with Ron. I'm out of here. Take care.